Time to move. Let's go. The storm cell is getting larger.
Copy that. We're almost there.
This is too risky. It's unsafe. Move on. There's a storm coming. Too wet. This area floods.
Right.
Marking as unsafe.
Yeah.
Time to find a new spot. Too exposed. Gotta move deeper. Time to get this base perfectly level. That looks good. Let's start building. No, the ground won't hold. I need to dig deeper and spread the load. The storm's almost here. We'll fix the tire later. Set up the tent first. Oh no, that's not right. Storm ETA 4 hours. Let's move. Critical gear only. Drainage is complete. Tent reinforcement next. Kitchen shelter is almost done. All right, time to test this. Almost done.
Secure.
Secure. That's a strong gust. Stay.
Yeah.
Okay, stable now. Perfect, ready for anything. Okay, let's get some heat going.
Yeah.
Just a little dirt in the jet, all good. Perfect, dinner is served. The storm is rolling in faster than anticipated. Power priority has to change. The birds stopped, the wind changed. Storm ETA, 45 minutes. Tighten everything, check all lines. The sky is falling. All right, time to widen this channel. Keep it flowing. Good job, the water's moving away. Hold fast. Snap oar. Got you. It's holding. Okay, priority shift. Chair down. Lanterns next, gotta pack them quick. Heavy items under the floor, secure them tight. I have to fix this leak.
It's holding.
Almost ready. Do you copy? Something's here.
Copy it.
Copy that. I hear it. Quiet, boars. They're foraging. They're gone. I'm securing the power station. The connector's loose. I need to dry this. Reconnected. Power's back. Hold fast. I got it. Come on. Don't let go. You're not winning this one. The storm has stopped. She knows what this means. Reload the wood. Check the lines. The storm's getting worse. I need to reinforce the tent. Be careful, it's brutal out there. I won't wait inside. Oh no, look at that water building up. Just need to relieve the pressure. Okay, it's draining. Now, let's secure this properly. Perfect, the tent is safe now. That was close. All right, gotta fix this now. Secure. That should hold. Perimeter secure. Drainage clear. Notes updated. The storm is intensifying. Only 15% power left on the radio.
Radar shows high winds continuing.
Time to check the headlamp batteries, then it's back outside. The worst is over. It's beautiful. Okay, the rainfly is secure. Check the tent frame, drainage channels look good. Everything's holding up perfectly. Time for coffee. The elevated site and healthy trees blocked the wind. These deep channels carried the water, and everything is secure and dry. I knew I should have checked that pressure before the storm. Well, here we go, back to work. Okay, that's good, that's good. Perfect, done. Drainage channels, perfect. Look at the guy lines, amazing. And the canopy, like nothing happened. Engineering holds, time to pack. The drainage is holding up perfectly. See how the water follows the trenches, protecting the structure. This location was the key. All right, that covers the essentials. Wind barrier, elevated ground, drainage. Perfect. All right, everything is dry. Coiled the ropes, checked the power, looks good. Analyzing the terrain, comparing it to the sketch. Dig here for better drainage, reinforce that guy line, patching the tear now. Every campsite rejected, the shelter, the stream, the barrier. The supercell's path is clear now. I found it. I found it. The trail ends right here. You see the elevation here and the natural barrier of these rocks? This is what kept everything dry. Rejecting unsafe camps.
Drainage.
Building drainage.
Yeah.
Reinforcing lines. Repairing the canopy. Enduring the wind.